right, welcome back. Now, if you want to put your mouth inside Taribo West issue where you come outside talk, say, then when they play for the Super Eagles, saying they actually go meet Babalawo for to get charm to win. Now, if you want to put your mouth inside and what you think about this revelation, and tell us the thing where you do back then in the olden days where you actually want to reveal to people, enter Twitter at TokTokWazobia or enter Facebook TokTok-Wazobia TV. Not be like Amaka will not tell us. Make sure you tell us that thing like what you do in the past. All things are passed away, so what do you do in the past?
All things are passed away, may they remain passed away.
Whatever.
Now pass away.
All right, so let's move on to the next one, please. Now, the next one, I concern this particular one, where they don't do for inside Sydney. Now, Dr. Ward, where they base for North Shore Hospital for inside Sydney, don't come outside claim, say, he don't treat 200 cases of the syndrome, where they refer to as Takotsubo. Takotsubo. Or stress-induced cardiomyopathy.
No swallow your tongue. Just there's a sickness. Shine down.
That sickness. Now heartbreak. Full stop.
The sickness, na heartbreck.
Then get all this fancy name, maybe like Igbo.
Okay, so you see the way when the doctor take call her now, as you they try to call her, as you just reach person just go hospital, you will get
that one alone, they not to kill the person. I don't tell you.
I don't go.
All right.
Straight. Heartbreak.
Now, you come outside, actually tell Daily Mail Australia, say broken heart and syndrome, now response of to major stress. And according by they affect the brain cell and they make the heart not they work correctly. Now, he talk say, they affect far more women than men. Yeah. Now, he don't do plenty research. Broken hearts, for man to break your heart, you can see. Now, it actually do plenty research. Come find out say, yes, for inside 2011, come find out say women are up to 9 times more likely to suffer broken heart syndrome than men. Now, plenty things now actually do, plenty medical things, but the one way we go peek inside, now say this broken heart syndrome, it is available and you feel actually die, from the broken heart. I don't need to talk much because we get one video for you to watch.
Broken heart syndrome.
Men, stop breaking our hearts.
Maybe we not die.
As in, you want to kill me?
But they never break your heart.
Commonly, it's because of the death of a loved one or an acute stress such as being robbed at gunpoint. Essentially what happens is the patient has chest pain, they have acute changes on their ECG, and they'll come into emergency and they'll look for all intents and purposes like they're having a heart attack involving the front of the heart. And
Can it kill you?
It can kill you, but it's very uncommon to kill you. The death rate's less than 1% in most people's series.
All right, so now, that another man, Dr. Ward, they explained, say women, they actually suffer broken hearts past men, and also person fear actually die from being broken-hearted. It is a very terrible thing to read out, but you believe, say, heartbreak fit kill person. No, it is terrible because I don't know if anybody is immune to it yet, but a lot of us don't go through heartbreak. I don't know, but you're not immune to them. But I have gone through heartbreak.
Why am I the yardstick for this?
I don't go through heartbreak where I almost feel, say,
life don't over,
Yeah. I get one particular heartbreak where I go through one time, and I just want to jump in front of a car just to kill myself.
Why you not jump?
I don't know why I not jump.
No, I know why they ask you. I know even they try to...
No, I'm serious. That's what I'm saying. I don't know why I not jump. I really don't know why. Okay, maybe the reason why I not jump now because I can't tell the person, say, please come back, please, and say I want to actually kill myself. I need to say, don't kill yourself, oh, I have gone, I'm done with you.
Jesus.
So I guess that statement
now gave you strength.
Making me, I was depressed before. So the statement can't make me vex. So can't add vexation plus depression. You can't, like something where you can't mix everything together and then you can't think, say, he's an idiot, he's a fool. Go to punish him. And instead of killing yourself, you curse him.
Yeah.
So I can easily relate to that.
So you actually believe, say, heartbreak fit?
Sure.
I believe that.
In short, I don't
well, for me,
see.
about this whole heartbreak killing and everything, not be about we say she won't jump.
No, not about me. Not about me, please.
I don't believe saying that the kind killing where then they talk about with that. And first of all, not be only when man jilts you, now you be heartbreak. Sometimes when you lose a loved one, a heartbreak. Sometimes you get some kind of things that will go happen for life. Maybe
when you invest huge money into something.
Invest, thank you. Yeah. Then dupe you or you lose so much money in a heartbreak. Yeah. And what thing they happen at that point in time, you say, I don't know, it gets so much where the heart fit take. For example, make I talk from my own experience. When you lose a loved one, especially when it be say you don't even see I'm coming. Not be say the person sick or the person get accident there hospital where they say if it survive, you know if it survive. Person maybe say you don't see him say he dey very, very healthy and everything they okay. And then the next second they just say this person don't buy. The shock alone fit kill you. Say, oh, all of a sudden, I don't go see this person again. That not the heartbreak when me I feel say then they talk about say if you kill person. Say boy due to your hair, boy due to you. How many boys did this world? By the time you paint your face, wear the right clothes, another one go come.
No, the way you today handle your own emotions.
No, I understand, but I
people.
tell you, say no be as a result of okay that one. Me I just
no,
feel
it's
the
heartbreak
shock.
is heartbreak. It happens in like
Now
what
the
you
shock
talk.
of waiting happen as it take hits you. Now it be the issue. As he hits you, I know be medical doctor, but I know to say as he hits you, if it cause maybe heart attack or cardiac, something like that, as in that's medical condition, not be the physical side of it, say, oh, okay, you actually day hot, oh, how you want start, how you want pick up. No. Now the effect on your own body medically, now it be the killing for inside.
Because I think the man actually talk with that, because when he talk say the way people, when they carry them come, this is don't treat 200 people.
200
so when
people.
they carry them come to the hospital, what did actually happen? Be say then they always complain of the outer part of the chest. They disturb. Everybody knows say that place na heart attack. So obviously the pain of which they don't suffer, say they don't something just happen like you talk say you don't even know what you do. You get confused. Another person again as you lose somebody,
You hear the
think
story.
again.
These are
the shock
different
will
things.
catch you. So obviously everything they move on inside the body.
Sure.
So yes, it fit kill, but at the same time, like you still talk, you get as you go take handle them.
Yeah, of course.
Everybody get as they
Of
handle
course.
something. I know person way lost his sister. As we they speak to today, he never cry. You know, do anything. I know be say he lost his sister, say the sister sick, die. No, then kill him. Then shoot the sister. Shoot her mirror, make sure say she die. And yet, that he still carry her corpse, go bury.
You can imagine.
Till today, no
But the
cry.
person feels
So
they suffer
everybody-
internally.
Exactly what's not one
As you even see the person, no gonna say anything happen.
No, you got to suffer
mean say the
internally.
person
Yeah,
they okay.
talk.
Yeah.
So it depends on how people take their handle them. We don't know how to take their handle them.
That one is even more
And
devilish,
never-
though.
Till today, nothing
Because if they
don't
suffer
happen. But
internally-
maybe as this person talk am, as heart attack they come, as he talk am, if you just sit down one day, think am, sick. So they very possible say yes, the thing they kill, but at the same time, I still feel say if you handle them well, you no go die.
How did they
When you're
take...
there in the
Wait,
situation, to
now,
handle am
how
well,
did
How
they take handle heartbreak? Now
I
just
don't
the
know.
solution why I want to ask me that.
No, because I'm not a specialist right
you
now
don't
on
get,
heartbreak
you don't
matter.
get. To me, I just feel say you don't get. Nobody they prepare for heartbreak
At all.
Nobody they prepare for heartbreak. Whether a boy break your heart or whether you lost loved one or whether you lost money, or nobody
You know they sit
prepare
down
for
wait for am.
heartbreak. And you see this thing that they call heart. To my own understanding, it they move according to as your blood they take. Once that shock come, you don't get stomach pain before when you not treat well. You don't get headache when you not treat well.
Everything
If
goes
that thing
down.
hits you,
tell
it
you.
depends on how your heart they move that time. If they move slow, you never can tell if it drop. If they move well, that's you day healthy. And we know they day healthy totally. I tell you, if he survive and escape and but you still there, they sick. It go they come slow. That's why waiting and talk. They say when you get things where they disturb you, express them. Tell somebody,
Yeah.
share them, talk.
Sure.
I be the person where be say if things they worry me, I know. Because I don't get somebody where at a particular time in my life right now where I go tell some kind of personal things I like to keep inside. But only me can still talk to myself. I lost my brother all of an last year and yesterday night complete 1 year. I just tell myself in the morning, I said, I didn't lose you. I don't lose you. Say you die. You still stay here with me. So if you feel say because you complete 1 year today, make her dey cry, then tell me. And I tell you, that inner peace just come inside my mind like, move on. I'm happy where I am. You understand? Like, it just not communication. And the same way, I know Sabi that can pray with it. My own, I pray inside me and I get that conviction, say, God don't answer me. So like we talk, everybody gets in way. But it depends on how mentally sound you did. You
I
feel,
tell you, some people they get heartbreak mad.
I know of person
course
wait
not.
till today. She
course.
no dey stable. You know why? She dey stable in sense of wearing clothes, waka dress and what.
mentally.
But when she open her mouth, you know, say something dey very wrong. And na because of heartbreak, she never fit get any stable relationship because she dey feel say you dey come with that. Like wetin I talk before we come out, I say in every relationship as you break up, it gets something where you dey go with. It's either you go cold or you dey defensive, you dey very aggressive person talk to you. Blah, blah, blah. If you go talk to a girl like that, you go talk to boy, even your family you go talk to because of the pains where you don't go through, maybe you know express them, but now where you come meet yourself with that. So to me, I believe say people don't die of heartbreak, but just that it not happen that same time where the thing happen. Maybe one thing can help clash the thing and.
I totally, from beginning to the end, actually go with you. Whether say person leave you now, a lot of people they easily come outside and say, "A man leave me, I'll come they cry."
It's a lie.
See. It's because you never see that person.
You never see
that person where you can dedicate everything to. And then the person can at the end of the day can decide to pay you wrong. Imagine say they invest into something and then at the end of the day the investment not pay out well for you.
Even relationship they pay your time, you are investing your time. Communication, attention, now investment.
It is an investment.
Yeah, so I
look now, I wait for who go first cry. Because I don't understand.
I don't pass.
I don't go first cry.
Now investment, no, serious. Now investment.
Okay, now see, funny jokes as in jokes about to happen. Imagine say you don't put your wedding card, as in you know.
I get. Yeah.
And your wedding is just next week.
Yeah.
Next week, all your friends we are excited now. One time we go celebrate with you, and the man call you say, "I'm sorry, I can't marry you anymore. I found someone that I love."
Hello.
How are you?
Come on.
You wait the form hard girl now. Trust me.
You are talk vegetable.
Trust me. Trust me when I'm saying because I did talk from experience.
Yeah.
Trust me. You as
because
in,
you don't see reason
as,
around and you think and go
especially if
back
you can't
first.
get some kind wicked people around you. Now at that point they'll come they ask you say how far now? We don't buy a business. Waiting they happen.
No, but then buy
don't
be
give us
true now. No, wait. Then buy should be now because if not me, I go ask you now.
But they don't know. These people they know.
Boy, you know me,
They
go
know.
still ask you.
I feel like it don't know.
Like one girl make me use 45,000 naira buy Shadi. After they marry finish, she said she not marry again.
I'll collect that money.
She go, no, I never wear the cloth the second time. You don't break up. What I want to tell them? Okay, I just buy the cloth and be take
Just
time.
hungry you buy.
All right, you were there out there. You want to tell us? You feel say according by waiting the doctor come outside all the research where you do. You feel say heartbreak feel actually kill person. Enter Twitter at Talk Wazobia, put your mouth for there, and enter Facebook Talk-Wazobia TV. Coming back after the break, we go actually take our letter from the viewer and some other tips. Then stay with us, not go anywhere.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.